Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are having a great day. Now today, we are going to be installing a brand new driver's side window regulator, motor, and track because mine, it just doesn't really work anymore. Now for the longest time, I've been wanting to change this and I just never really had the time. It is super bright and super hot out today. It's like beginning of September, which is weird. But yeah, so today we're going to be replacing the entire window, motor, regulator, track, everything. And I figured I'd just show you what happens when you try and use it. So. Alright, so I've spent a lot of time trying to get all these windows to work. This is the last one that I have yet to get to like fully work. Now, it does roll down. You just gotta keep pushing it. Make sure it goes all the way down. And then it will unspool eventually, but it does go up too, so we're gonna fix it and make it so that the switch brings it all the way down and all the way up like it is supposed to. I'm gonna rip this door panel off, see what's going on behind there, and top to it. Alright, so I got one of the rails, the window regulator and motor out, and I'm pretty sure that's all I need to take out. There's another rail on this side over here. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it on camera, but there is another rail in there. I'm gonna see what the new window regulator looks like and see if I need to switch that out too or not. I'm hoping not, because I don't see any bolts to take that out, unless it's the two Torx bits over there. Alright, so I got the old one and the new one laid out together. I didn't even realize this, but it came with all new hardware too, so I don't have to reuse any of the bolts I just took out. Except for it looks like on the motor itself, which is fine because I saved the bolts. But we're gonna get this one thrown in. Hopefully it's not too hard. I think the hardest part is going to get it actually fitting it into the door itself and then setting it up properly, and then it's just bolting everything back together. Alright guys, so I have everything pretty much put all together. Now we are going to test it. I accidentally bent the linkage for my door, so I had to completely bend it back, and that took a little while to do. But this feels like it's going way too easy for this to like actually work. I'm hoping everything actually works. So it should be down. And then we'll go back up. Damn, I actually have a working window. That's wild. That's wild. I just need to finish tightening up all of my bolts. And I just realized I didn't even bolt the motor back in. So, just a quick little ugga-dugga everywhere. Alright guys, so I have everything buttoned back together. I got the speakers back in. I have the linkage and everything hooked back up. All the wires are back together. I think I'm sitting on the keys. Yes, I am. So I'm going to start this. And then hopefully I finally have a driver's side window. That's awesome. I waited so long to actually fix this, and it's probably the easiest thing to fix. I thought this would take a lot longer. That went way too easy. And now I have pretty much all working windows. And then this one, oh, it's working now. Before it wasn't working. So now I have all working windows. That's actually really awesome. But I think this is where I'm going to be ending this video off. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Peace.